Today we are taking you to the AutoTechniCar 2025 exhibition held at the iconic BMICH in Colombo, organized by the Institute of Motor Assessors and Engineers. This event is a must visit for automobile enthusiasts and the industry professionals alike. The exhibition brings together a wide range of automobile aftermarket service providers and product specialists. From innovative tools to advanced repair technologies, there's something for everyone in the auto industry. Whether you are a car owner or a professional, you will find plenty to explore. And here's a treat for vintage car lovers: a stunning collection of classic cars including timeless Volkswagens and iconic Mini Coopers. Each car tells a unique story of design and engineering from a bygone era. For those who love creativity and innovation, the modified car section is sure to impress. From sleek designs to powerful upgrades, these vehicles showcase the passion and skill of their creators. AutoTechniCar 2025 isn't just about cars. The event also offers technical sessions for engineers to enhance their skills, the chance to register with the Institute of Insurance Motor Assessors and Engineers for those who are interested in joining this prestigious organization. Job opportunities in the automotive industry, perfect for job seekers exploring new paths. Display of modern cars and cutting-edge technologies like AI-based sensor systems, giving you a glimpse into the future of motoring. The energy here is contagious, with something new and exciting around every corner. AutoTechniCar 2025 connects car enthusiasts, industry leaders, and everyday vehicle owners, offering an experience like no other. The AutoTechniCar 2025 exhibition is happening on the 10th, 11th, and 12th of January 2025 at the BMICH in Colombo. If you are interested in the automotive industry, or simply want to see more amazing classic and modified cars, this is the place to be. Don't miss it. Thank you for joining me on this journey through AutoTechniCar 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Sri Lanka Travel Stories for more unique experiences across Sri Lanka. See you in the next video.
Nissan Pulsar අපි මේක මොඩිෆිකේෂන් එක කරලා තියෙන්නේ සම්පූර්ණ ෆුල් මොඩිෆිකේෂන් එකක් කරලා තියෙනවා මේකේ හුඩ් එක ඔරිජිනල් ඊට පස්සේ අපි මේක කිසිම හානියක් නොවන ආකාරයෙන් තමයි මේක කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේක තනිකර ස්ටිල් වලින් කරලා තියෙන්නේ හෑන්ඩ් මේඩ් එතකොට අපිට පුළුවන් මේ විදියට සාමාන්‍ය කස්ටමර් කෙනෙක් ඉල්ලනවා නම් මේ වාහනයක් අපිට මේ විදියට මොඩිෆිකේෂන් කරලා දෙන්න කියලා අපිට ඒ ඕන විදියට කරගන්නත් පුළුවන් ඒ වගේම එයා ඉල්ලනවා නම් ඔරිජිනල් ක්වොලිටි එක අපිට ඒ විදියට කරලා දෙන්නත් පුළුවන්